Adam here. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. Right behind me I have Project Quicksilver, and she's looking absolutely gorgeous, of course, but she's still wearing her stock struts, shocks, and springs. She's got that 4x4 ride height that a lot of people have been commenting on, so we have something in the works as a little upgrade. There you go. In here we have Tokico Blue, not adjustable struts and front struts, rear shocks, and even though that's an box back there, that's actually a set of OEM 2001 Mustang Bullitt springs, so they should drop this about 3/4 of an inch. So yeah, we're gonna head over to my buddy's house and let's start the install. We are headed down to my buddy Bobby's place, and as much as I'm a Mustang head, I would say Bobby knows more than I do, so I'm gonna defer to him. I'm gonna bring the car over to his house and we're gonna do the whole install over there, so I'll hit you back when we get there. So what we picked up, Tokico Blue front and rear struts, OEM 2001 Mustang Bullitt springs, and you could tell that Bullitt springs by the engineering numbers, which I checked out, and yeah, super stoked to get these in. Car's up on the jack stands here, and let's get to working. So here are the stock front struts and the Tokico Blues. So what you have to do, so you have to put this bushing on first, and the collar. Okay. Then this goes on here, and there's a bushing in there, and this goes on top. Okay?
Okay.
So let's take a look at the front springs. On the right is a GT spring, and on the left is a Bullitt spring. They are specific rate springs. Okay, so the fronts are all done. You can see both sides. She did drop probably about a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch, I would say. The fender gap isn't as bad. She'll settle a little more. Now on to the rears, but first, pizza break. Now let's take a look at the rears. On the right is a GT spring, and on the left is a Bullitt spring. They are also specific rate springs. As you can see, the Bullitt springs have a stiffer rate than the GT springs. So let's get these rear springs and shocks installed. So it's the next day, but unfortunately it is raining outside. I will throw some video up here so you can see what the car looks like with the new suspension. Now keep in mind, I didn't want to slam this car down to the ground. I was only looking to get a moderate drop just to move the wheels and tires further up into the body while keeping a smooth ride. And I have to tell you, the ride home on this was probably better than the stock suspension. This did have 19-year-old OEM shocks and struts replaced by the Tokico Blues. Huge difference right there. The Bullitt suspension did drop it just over a ½ inch. I do expect it to drop about 3/4 of an inch once it's all settled. If you're looking for a moderate drop for your Mustang, your SN95 or your New Edge, this might be the way to go. I didn't want to have to worry about scraping, pulling into driveways, or getting through crappy streets, which there are quite a bit around here in the Northeast. So this was a home run. Like I said, I could have dropped it a lot lower, but it wasn't really what I was looking for, not for this car. It is a cruiser. It is something that I want to enjoy with the family. So the moderate drop that the Bullitt springs gave me is exactly what I wanted. I'm super happy with it. If you have any questions about this suspension swap, you can leave them in the comment section down below. I'll do my very best to answer them. And that's not it for Project Quicksilver. I do have a few other things I'd like to get done before summertime, before I have a car show coming up this month, actually. I'm pretty psyched about going to. And maybe I'll put a video of that show here on the channel. There should be a lot of beautiful cars there, a lot of really nice Mustangs and good people. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get the very latest content here on the channel. And click that notification bell so you can get notified when new content is released. So anyway, thank you very much for watching once again, and I will see you on the next one.